overshadowing ekyo kye mulina muno nagenda okudda avudde Dubai ka trip ko tugubadde bividdeko mwawukanya ndooso katubulire ku mwami Henry.
You know, pushing forward zino relationships omanyi omubanga temulina kyemulubirirwa mubeerawo nga muli mu bbanga nga temulina kwe muyimiridde. Our relationship has a strong foundation that is much more than ebigambo by'abantu, that is much more than just people moving together. We have businesses, multi-million businesses, multi-million ideas. I constantly tell you bagamba nti we are building an empire. Omukazi go building an empire naye tomalaga mulekawo okitegeera. So bambi mulekerawo kisale ekigambo ekitaliyo, mulekerawo teekawo abantu abataliwo nze nange besimanyi. I think because maybe waliwo muwala naye ku SNL on the Saturday Night Live show, because I've just made it official. Sikola naye ku radio. Simanyi abantu banjawulo bambi bemunsibyeko, but look, listen, I'm a human being who is also out there. When bankola ngana woli wanongokola, you have to work. Okitegeera, we've seen the Douglases do it, the MC Cuts do it, but then it doesn't techijja ontegeragana yange na prima. It's okay, people will always talk, but ekiri mutima faba bachimanyi. Like I said, Prima is the love of my life. I love her. We are building an empire. I'm not about to leave her, not today, not tomorrow, not in the years to come. What is hers is mine. What is mine is hers. Cannot be with you. I will have done my part. I haven't let her down. I haven't disappointed her. I haven't cheated on her. I haven't disrespected her. I have stood as a man in her life, and we've elevated this. Maybe. A couple of years ago, now my duty, among many other things, oyo mukyala mwagala n'omutima gwange gwonna, ekikye kyange, abaana be baana bange ne taata waabwe naye ajja n'abalaba. They are co-parenting. It's okay. Sobola kumwagalako kitundu ate nti mbeere naye ng'abaana sibaagala.
Okay. Mbera weto wetambudde ebintu webito webiri. So abagala nandogoza abo mubayigiddeko kinene nnyo yabadde Mr. Henry ngera abagamba omukyala uwe amwesiga tata mmere mama mmere watali tata mmere abaddewo. I know those people bambi beyagala so nolwekyo ebigambo bibere bitono tala wabula